In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a chat message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're cleaning up old messages, correcting mistakes, or just want to keep your chat history organized, knowing how to remove messages efficiently can save you time and make your workspace tidier. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can manage your conversations with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're using the browser version, head to the official Teams website and sign in with your credentials. If you're on the desktop or mobile app, open Teams and ensure you're signed in there. Being logged in is essential because it allows you to access all your chats and manage them properly. Once you're signed in, navigate to the chat section. Here you'll see all your active and past conversations listed. It's important to note that in Microsoft Teams, you cannot delete an entire chat thread. Instead, you can delete individual messages within a conversation. So, locate the specific message you want to remove. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the message. You'll see a small menu icon appear, usually 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis or More Options menu. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will open with several actions. From this menu, select Delete. This will remove the message from the chat entirely. Keep in mind that deleting a message is permanent, so double-check that you're removing the correct one. After clicking Delete, the message will disappear for everyone in the conversation, not just for you. However, other participants may briefly see a notification that a message was deleted, so keep this in mind if timing or privacy is a concern. Deleting messages regularly helps keep your chat space organized, ensures only relevant information remains, and can make navigating long conversations much easier. While Teams doesn't allow complete conversation deletion, managing messages individually gives you greater control over your workspace and improves communication clarity. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily remove unwanted messages from your Microsoft Teams chats. Staying on top of your chat history not only keeps things tidy, but also helps maintain a professional and organized environment. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.